Do you ever feel like you're doing everything everybody says you should in order to grow your freelance copywriting business, but it's just not working? Hi, I'm Christa Nichols. I have a multi-six-figure-a-year freelance copywriting business. I write for business owners and entrepreneurs that you know and love. Here's 3 things you can do that will help you grow your business even when you feel stuck. Number 1, ask for referrals. Yeah, just go to your previous clients and say, hey, I have some openings. Who do you know? Would you be willing to recommend me? Same with your network. So if you have a group of friends who are online business owners who tend to work for the same types of businesses that you do, let them know, I've got openings. Can you tag me in any posts that you see for copywriting? Have a network or community that'll do that for you? Join mine. Look for Wordy Mama in the link in my bio. And the final tip is raise your rates. If you can get results for clients, raising your rates can give you an instant boost in your business. If your results support it, raise your rates. Follow me for more tips on growing a freelance copywriting business without sacrificing your family or your freedom.